We see you. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Look at those big red cheeks. Where are you going? You're getting sleepy. Are you actually crawling to the swing so you can go to take a nap? Is that what it is? Oh, here we go. We're off. We're off. Go on, show mommy how you do it. Where are you going? Who's creeping? Who's creeping? With the big red cheeks. With the big red cheeks. Ah, who's got big red cheeks? Caleb does. Yes, Caleb does. Come on. Where are you going?